Remember this. This is the most important, valuable point. We discussed it in the last sessions also. HP company, you aware, right?
Yes, sir.
HP company, you aware? Okay. Believe me, all the remaining people also, please listen carefully this one. In 1990, HP company market value is $9 billion. $9 billion. It's a very, very less. What happened is they introduced multiple products in the market. Multiple products in the market. They introduced multiple products. HP laptops, HP printers, HP desktops, HP servers, like multiple. By 2000, the market value became $135 billion. In 10 years, just in 10 years, how much market value raised? $9 billion to $135 billion. How much its value? $135 billion. It's a rise like anything. And then by 2005, their market value is $75 billion only. In the next 5 years, what happened is gone. Market value down like anything. Before 2000, after 2000, where the problem is? The problem is creativity. Earlier, they created multiple products. They are very active. But later, they are thinking about stabilization. Okay, we require to implement processes. We require to build something like they are not, their creativity is missing. The market value by default down. Remember that carefully. If I know I can prepare very wonderful recipe, wonderful chutney, my total life is going to be get on only with that chutney only. It's a meaningless, right? Venkatramana.
Yes, sir.
It's a meaningless, right? Why don't you think about next level? As long as creativity is there, then you never going to worry about that. If your creativity is going to be stopped, I want to settle with these things only, then definitely someone is going to replace you.